Welcome back to DriveBird Network, where we unlock the secrets to wealth, health, and personal growth. Today, we're diving into something crucial: how to reprogram your mind for success in just 3 transformative steps. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly while others struggle? It all starts in the mind. Step number 1: cultivate a growth mindset. The first thing you need to do is shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. A fixed mindset believes skills and intelligence are static, while a growth mindset thrives on challenge and sees failure not as evidence of unintelligence, but as a heartening springboard for growth. Ask yourself, do I often reject challenges fearing failure? If yes, it's time to embrace challenges and accept that failure is merely a stepping stone to success. Step number 2: visualize your success. Imagine waking up as the most successful version of yourself. What does that look like? Visualization is not just daydreaming. It's a potent tool used by top athletes, CEOs, and achievers across the globe. They see their success in detailed imagery daily. This step involves daily practice. Spend a few minutes in a quiet place every day and visualize your goals as already achieved. Feel the excitement and elation. This will not only boost your motivation, but will solidify your commitment to your goals. Step number 3: create and maintain positive affirmations. Words have power, enormous power. The dialogue you have with yourself shapes your mindset and your reality. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations that build you up. Instead of telling yourself, "I can't do this," say, "I am capable of overcoming any challenge." Repeat these affirmations every morning or whenever doubt tries to creep in. Over time, these positive affirmations will rewire your brain to believe in your ability to succeed. Now, just before we wrap up, consider this: how different would your life be if you started applying these steps right now? The journey to success is exhilarating, and it starts with changing the fabric of our thoughts. If you found these steps intriguing, don't stop here. Click on the screen to watch our next video: 10 quick tips to double your savings this year to continue fueling your journey towards financial mastery. And remember, to get a new insightful video each day, make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your success stories or questions. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep striving for excellence. This is DriveBird Network, signing off and wishing you incredible success.